In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a split color text effect in Canva. This is a simple but eye-catching style where one half of your text is one color and the other half is a different color, and we'll be doing it using Canva's image blender. First, open your design in Canva and type in the text you want to use. You can add a heading or any text box and type your word or phrase. Take a moment to choose a bold, easy-to-read font since split color effects look best on thicker fonts. Adjust the size so it fills a good portion of the page and center it so it's easy to work with later. Next, with your text in place, go to the top right corner of Canva and click on the Share button. From that menu, look for the option that lets you copy the design to your clipboard. Click on Copy to Clipboard. This will copy your current page as an image, which we'll use for blending later. Now, at the bottom of your Canva workspace, click on Add Page to create a second page in the same design. Once the new blank page appears, simply paste what you copied. You can use your usual paste shortcut. This will place the copied image of your text onto the second page. Go back to the first page by clicking on it in the page thumbnails. Here, select your text and change its color to the first color you want to use in your split effect. Choose something bold and distinct, like a bright color that will contrast well with the second color later. Make sure you're happy with this color because it will represent one side of your split text. Again, click on Share, and then choose Copy to Clipboard one more time. Return to the second page and paste. Now you'll have your updated, recolored version ready to blend with the original. With your two pages prepared, look on the left-hand side of Canva and click on Apps. In the search bar, type in Image Blender. When it appears, select it. From here, follow the on-screen prompts. You'll be asked to choose the images or pages you want to blend. Select the two versions of your text, then adjust the blending options so that one color appears on one side and the other color on the opposite side. Play with the slider or orientation until you get a clean, split color line through your text. Once you're happy with the result, apply it to your design and you're done. You now have a split color text effect created entirely in Canva.